Our Model 579 comes with one key for cab doors, ignition, and the optional sleeper storage compartment. Fuel tank caps and frame-mounted toolboxes have separate individual keys. If equipped, your 579 includes 2 key fobs for the remote keyless entry system. Press the unlock button once to unlock the driver's side door. Pressing the unlock button a second time within 5 seconds will unlock the passenger door. To lock, press the lock button once. Depending on the option your truck is equipped with, your seat has up to 10 different controls. Controls for upper and lower lumbar adjustment are located on the side of the seat, as well as an optional bolster adjustment. Adjustment for the thigh support and seat pan angle are located in the front of the seat. Other controls available include seat fore and aft, seat suspension stiffness, seat height, recline, and express down to exit the vehicle with ease without the seat auto-returning to the pre-selected height. The exterior lighting self-test allows you to verify light functionality from outside your truck. To complete the test, follow these steps. Park the vehicle and set the parking brake. Turn the key to the on position. Press the light test switch on the dash. The truck will illuminate and cycle the following: parking lights, side marker lights, hazard and turn signals, low beam headlamps, first set of fog driving lights, and stop brake lights. The test can be stopped by pressing the switch a second time, releasing the parking brake, or turning the truck off. The steering wheel column tilts and telescopes. Adjust by utilizing the lever on the left side. The transmission shifter or engine brake lever is located on the right. The multifunction lever on the left side of the steering column controls the turn signals, windshield wipers, and high beam. The controls for the power windows, door locks, and side mirrors are located on the door pad. Mirrors can be adjusted in all 4 directions. To provide good visibility, adjust them so that the side of the vehicle appears on the inboard part of the mirror. The button for the mirror defroster is also located on the door pad. The ignition key is located on the left side of the steering column. It has 4 positions: accessories, off, on, and start. In the off position, most systems are off and you can remove the key. However, some accessories have power even with the key in the off position, including the brake lights, dome, and courtesy lamps, horn, as well as marker lamps, headlights, and tail lights. By turning the key to the accessory position, you can play the radio and defrost mirrors. Turning the key to the on position energizes all circuits. Panel warning lights will light up and the buzzer will sound until the engine is started. Normal oil pressure is reached and the air brake pressure reaches 65 psi. To start the engine, make sure to set the parking brake, set the transmission to neutral, or disengage the clutch if equipped with a manual transmission. Turn the key to start and release the key after the engine starts. If anti-theft is enabled, you will need to enter the passcode. The multifunction steering wheel is designed to be comfortable and to put all controls at your fingertips. The controls on the left side manage vehicle functions, cruise control, and optional features such as the road speed limiter, adaptive cruise control, and predictive cruise control. The controls on the right side are used to scroll through the display and for audio adjustments. The scroll wheel can be used to minimize or maximize the on-screen content for gauge views or to toggle through multiple pop-ups without hiding them. It can also be used to navigate through menu content and to select menu options by pressing down. The back exit key is used to suppress pop-ups or to exit out of menu functions. The shortcut button can be assigned a function to allow quick changes while driving. You can, for example, program it to show a digital RPM readout or a favorite gauge view. The setup for this button is accessible via the menu.